Hello and welcome to Lost Food and Barbecue. Let's make home ground chuck burgers. First you need some chuck. This is nicely barbelled, actually cut up into cubes to make mince. And then you grind it. I grind it with coarse die just to get it to make nice burgers. Weigh it up with a scale. I've got 5 ounces, 150 grams. Shape them, don't press them. It looks like I'm pressing them, but I'm barely being able when I cook these to keep them together. So just shape them loosely and then smack them all down. Any which way. See, it's pretty loose, just shaping it. And then once you've done them all, just make sure that you round them off so that they're keeping together. And then season them. I'm seasoning them with Montreal steak seasoning. I like that on burgers. A little bit of fat. I'm using coconut oil. Fry it until it gets a crust. Flip it over, and then I'm gonna flip this a second time and add a couple of slices of cheddar. Home sliced cheddar cheese, much better. Okay, slice 2 jalapenos into thin strips and then cut them into little chunks. Add them to 2 tablespoons of mayo and 1 garlic clove, and that should be it. You have a sauce. Some lettuce on the tip on a plate. A burger with some melted cheese on top. See, it's smoking. It's really hot. Mayo on top. A couple of slices of tomato. And it's ready for a taste test. There we go. Jalapeno, mayo, home ground chuck, Keto, salad wrap burger. That's right. It's really nice. It's really hot. It's really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.